What's up, guys? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. Today I have the MJJC foam cannon version 3.0. So this is the newest foam cannon. They also came out with their own super suds. So I'm trying these two things today. I fell in love with the old MJJC foam cannon. It's one of the best foam cannons. It goes out there to compete with the MTM foam cannon. Honestly, I like it. It depends on what you want. This actually, the older version had a lot more thicker foam. I made a review of that. I'll put it in the description below if you guys want to see that comparison to the MTM. I'll do another comparison of the MJJC 3.0 foam cannon to the MTM as well. But here's everything in the box. So you have a 1.1 millimeter orifice. You have this little metal thing in the bottom. So no matter how you move the canister, you're always going to get soap and suds. This is the new lid design. You can see that there's O-rings on it, a new locking mechanism, super thick plastic, actually, a big bottle nose so you can get your water in there easily. Here's the head and the lock system. It's super high quality. And then there's the quick detach link there, already ready to go. All you got to do is put some Loctite tape on that and it'll be ready to rock. This nozzle, changes direction, so you can change the width and thickness, the plus and minus. Super crazy quality. This is like almost like a rubber texture to it. It feels really nice, actually. By far the best quality foam cannon I've ever felt, ever. It's insane. Also, it can stand up as well, especially when it's full. But nice little engraved MJJC logo. This moves so you can go horizontal or vertical. Really nice. I'm super excited to try this thing out. Yeah, so let me get it turned on. I think that's the bigger orifice in there. I don't know which one's which. I'll have to read the directions, but we're going to fill it up with some soap. I'm going to do 2 ounces of soap, hot water as always to fill this thing up. And oh, wow, look at this. It's got a little bead in it, but you're measuring. So I'll fill it up probably to the 100 milliliter mark and then fill up to 300 milliliters of hot water and see how this thing foams up the cars. I'll be right back. I just want to show you guys the initial, setup. So I put the 1.1 millimeter orifice in there. It's just a flathead screwdriver that you need. Plumber's tape, 7, things around to make it a Loctite. And then I put the hose on with the little metal piece at the bottom that keeps your suds in. And we'll put that quick disconnect on there and then fill up the canister with some soap. All right, guys, so I filled up the foam cannon, 100 milliliters of the MJJC soap, and then about, I don't know, halfway full of hot water. Always use hot water. It's got the 1.1 millimeter orifice in it. I'm just going to try this soap. After this, I'm going to put the soap that I always use in the foam cannon, just because that's what I normally go with. I'm just trying this for the sake of the video and the sake because they sent it to me. So, yeah, I'll just give it a rip. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's soap, buddy. Yeah, so it's actually super thick. Holy mackerel. This is like super impressive. And it's just sitting on the car. mean, it's just like, I really haven't seen soap that thick before. Yeah, no, it's from the initial review. I'll put another brand soap in it and see how it goes, but I've never seen a foam cannon perform like this. MJJC 3.0. It's amazing. If you guys want to pick one of these up, I'll put the link in the description. All the links to all my products will always be in the description, but yeah, it's super impressive. We're back on this side. Look at it's so thick. It's crazy. Really impressive. Let me go ahead and throw another soap in here and see how that looks. All right, so I got Mr. Pink soap in here, and we'll try that. Look at that. That's incredible. I have never seen suds like that in a foam cannon. Yeah, this is no joke. The MJJC version 3. Amazing.